If you're considering SimpleChurch CRM for your church, there are 12 things you need to know before buying. While it's a solid option, you'll want to hear how it stacks up against competitors and what's essential to know before committing. The first thing to understand is that SimpleChurch CRM specializes in ease of use. It's designed to be intuitive for church staff with no technical expertise. Many church management systems can feel overwhelming, but SimpleChurch focuses on making things as simple as possible. However, if you're after more advanced features or customization, this might not be the right fit. Next thing to note is its core features like member management, event planning, and contribution tracking. It's designed to streamline common church tasks, but doesn't offer as many integrations as competitors like Planning Center or Breeze. For those looking to integrate other platforms, you might hit some limitations with SimpleChurch CRM. The third thing is its pricing structure. SimpleChurch CRM offers a relatively affordable plan compared to competitors, but when you compare it to platforms like ChurchTrack or Realm, which offer more features at a similar price point, it could feel like you're paying for only the basics. Next, let's talk about mobile access. SimpleChurch CRM provides a mobile app, but it's not as polished or feature-rich as some of its competitors. Apps from ChurchSuite and PushPay have more robust functionality, making them a better choice if your team needs to manage everything on the go. The fifth thing is customer support. With SimpleChurch CRM, you get support via email, and they have a knowledge base to help with common issues. While it's decent, competitors like Planning Center offer live chat support, which can be more immediate and helpful when you need quick answers. Next, you should consider the reporting features. SimpleChurch CRM provides basic reports for contributions and attendance, but if you need in-depth analytics and customizable reporting options, something like Fellowship One or Breeze could be a better choice. The seventh thing to mention is data security. SimpleChurch CRM has standard encryption, but competitors like Realm focus more on ensuring compliance with church-specific regulations for things like HIPAA or GDPR. If you're dealing with sensitive information, this could be a concern. The eighth thing is its online giving tools. While SimpleChurch CRM does offer online giving, it doesn't have as many payment options as competitors like Tithe.li or PushPay, which might limit the flexibility you need for your church members. Next thing to note is its event management tools. SimpleChurch CRM includes event planning features, but it doesn't have the depth that other software like ChurchTrack or Planning Center provide. If event management is a big part of your church's needs, you might want to consider those options. The 10th thing is integrations. SimpleChurch CRM offers basic integrations, but it falls short compared to other church management software, which offers things like automatic sync with accounting tools, social media, or email marketing platforms. So if you need more advanced integration options, you might want to keep looking. Next, the customization options. SimpleChurch CRM allows you to adjust some features, but it's not as flexible as others like Breeze or Planning Center. So, if customization is a high priority for your team, you might want to explore other solutions. The 12th thing is the overall user experience. SimpleChurch CRM is straightforward, but it doesn't have the visual appeal or modern interface that some competitors offer. If you're looking for a sleek, user-friendly design, something like PushPay or Planning Center might feel more polished. All things considered, SimpleChurch CRM is a good option for churches looking for a simple, affordable system to manage their members and contributions. However, if you want a solution with more features and flexibility, we recommend trying our top choice for church management software, which you can try for free.